Hello, my name is Mrs. Minnie and I am working as a digital marketer intern at Rankkeywords. My whole journey from a homemaker to a confident and independent digital marketer is beyond words. Rapidly growing cities are portraying a strong demand for digital marketing services, and Rankkeywords provides deep knowledge on every component of online marketing, whether it be SEO, SEM, social media, Google Analytics and many more. And out of many reasons, the one reason that why Rankkeywords stands out among other institutes is its recognition that it has earned from PSIT and WAC for the best digital marketing and training institute in Kanpur. Apart from their excellent placement track records, their curriculum helps the students to upskill their careers. So if you are looking to start your career as a digital marketer, Rankkeywords is the best place you can land. The whole team behind Rankkeywords is there to make sure you get the best out of the process. Great doing Rankkeywords.